Yes! Sinuswerte ako. Thank God it's Monday. 25 minutes past 6 o'clock in the evening tonight. Welcome to Musical Podcast, where music can already started. This is Luna Lily Love speaking, only right here on Star Maker. Happy tasking, everyone! Siyempre, 17 minutes pa mag start yung decades of sounds from classics to now. At alam mo ba yung ginagawa ko kanina? Nagbibideo ko pa lang. Siyempre, whether you're hanging out with your friends, going on karaoke with some other girls, siyempre, whatever, pag nagbibideo ka, dapat, girls night out. Ops, ops, ops! Girls at the back! Magbideo kayo. Tara. Siyempre, nakaka-relate talaga yung sa TikTok trend na boys at the back at girls at the back. Siyempre, girls sa likod. Charet! Siyempre, pag si DJ Sting on the mix, boys at the back! Nakakaloka. Kaya nga pala, mag-6:30 na pala. So, 27 minutes past 6 o'clock in the evening tonight. But, what do you know about Bagyong Maymay? I don't know. Do we have a knock-knock jokes here? Hi, Jihan! Happy tasking. Siyempre, I came up here so to welcome our visitors right here. Walaikum salam! Siyempre, hindi ko pala yung maintindihan kasi ano pala yung English word na Assalamualaikum. Siyempre, pagbati yan sa Indonesia. Walaikum salam! Ayan. So, anyways, we had to shout out kung sino nag-pack you up. Si Kokap RV ng Divine Voice Family. Shout out sa'yo! And we have a shout out right here. Gihan from Alix family. Wow. Also, I have a visitors right here. Jennifer Mix, shout out sa iyo. And Winslet. And to my room elites, shout out sa iyo. It's from my second family. It's called the Team A Treasures family. But yes, ako lang yan eh. Siyempre, yeah, that's my confidant. She's online. Nanilili pa rin. But, anyways, tiniming na natin to nung premiere pa rin. I don't know. Na-describe mo ba yung si DJ Drenox? Na-inspire ako sa kanya. May tattoo pa siya dito dun sa braso niya. May tattoo pala siya. Nakasalamin pa siya. Katulad ni DJ Sting. Nakasalamin pa rin. Charet! I could describe everything about DJ Drenox, who always visiting here at D1 12:06 a.m. Siyempre, pag umabsent si DJ Sting, si DJ Drenax, bahala on the mix. Siyempre, do you remember the song from For East Flavor? Miss siya. Siyempre, kinanta ko yun nung nagkasakit si DJ Sting. This song is very special to him, but you know it, there's inspiration and some spiritual healing. And you don't know what hibernation is all about. You don't know what hibernation is, what we can talk about. Siyempre, it's Slow Jam Mondays. We had to sing a few more songs before Decades of Sounds will start very, very soon. So, I hope you enjoy. I'll sing you another song coming right to your ears. Happy tasking, everyone!